No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one on your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small flat-bladed tool and a new battery. In this case, a CR2450 3V. First, push and hold the mechanical release button on the side of the fob and remove the emergency key. With the button side facing down, insert a small flat-bladed tool into the gap on the left side of the emergency key slot. Carefully pry the cover open slightly. Using your fingers, separate the case. Then, use the tool to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Put the case back together and snap it shut. Now just reinsert the emergency key and you should be all set. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.